Good morning. Today we're heading out to the Badlands and we'll be boondocking at the Wall. I hope you join us for this adventure. I'm Debbie, a Cajun girl who loves to travel the world. I'm happy you've decided to join us today. As soon as we leave Bar Lake, South Dakota and join the interstate, the Wall drug signs start appearing immediately. This is the 1880s town where part of Dancing with Wolves was filmed. This is Fire Hinge, and it looks like everything was made with fire trucks. We're at the Buffalo Gap National Grasslands. We finally reached our destination at Nomad's View, better known as the Wall, which is a dispersed camping area in the National Grasslands near Wall, South Dakota. The Wall is a little over a mile long and has many spots for dispersed camping. On one side is the grasslands, and across the road is the Badlands. This is our campsite, and you can see the Badlands are directly across from us. It's very windy here. We were told to expect cattle to be grazing freely in this area, but so far we haven't seen any. This area is so vast that it makes our campers seem small against the backdrop. There are designated camping sites, so we came here early to make sure we could park together. The town of Wall is about 7 miles away, and we finally made it to Wall Drugstore. They opened in 1931 and became popular with tourists after advertising for hundreds of miles on each side of the city, offering free iced water and 5-cent coffee, which they still offer today. There's even a traveler's chapel. You can even see the world's largest jackalope. We're back at the Wall, and we had planned to cook a nice Cajun meal tonight, but it's definitely too windy. I think we'll settle for hot dogs. This is our view from inside the camper. Before visiting the Badlands National Park, please like and subscribe to our channel. Badlands National Park first became a monument in 1929 and became a national park in 1978. We entered the park through the Pinnacles entrance, and our first stop was the Pinnacle Overlook. It's very impressive. The Badlands Loop Road is the only paved road through the park. It brings us to the Yellow Mounds Overlook. There are many hiking trails in this park. Probably the most notorious is the Notch Trail, which has the ladder section. It's the most popular and is 1.5 miles round trip. The Window Trail is wheelchair accessible and is one of the easiest trails in the park to take. Door Trail has a boardwalk also and is wheelchair accessible, and it's only 0.7 miles long. We're taking the view in from Panoramic Point. Wouldn't you say this is just gorgeous? Okay, back to trails. If you're looking for a very steep climb, Saddle Pass Trail would be your choice. And when we arrived to Bigfoot Pass Overlook, don't be misled. It is named in honor of Chief Bigfoot, not the Bigfoot so popular today. As you can tell, it's quite windy up here. At the Ben Rifle Visitor Center, we visited the museum. It was quite interesting and very well worth our time. These are fossils that were found here, and would you believe that's an alligator fossil found at Badlands National Park? This is a fossil of the three-toed horse. This is a Eohippus. He is an ancient ancestor of today's horses. We had a quick lunch at the visitor center before visiting Sage Creek Rim Road, where we spotted our first bison. We had a great day, but now we're back at the Wall Campground, and you can see how campers are just lined up along the road, boondocking as we are. I hope you've enjoyed your time with us, and I hope you'll continue to join us as we continue our epic adventure from Louisiana to Alaska. See you on the road.